Okay, and we're live. We're looking at, okay, we've got this displacement now over our hourly. We want to see if we keep it. We've got about a minute until we get this confirmation of displacement. If we don't, we might look to take a short here, but it'll be really interesting to see how this candle closes, because we might be able to take a short back down. But what I'm really focusing on is getting a quality entry into this. We don't have a fair value gap, but we do have, oh, okay, we're moving pretty drastically, but I'm not gonna enter it on that. I mean, that rejection is pretty strong, but I don't love the volatility, and I don't have anything clear to go off of right now. So I kind of just want to wait and see something a little clearer, because we might, honestly, that might have been an entry. But if we get the CISD, I might take an entry there. If we can close through this level here, I might take an entry at that point, but it's really going to depend on how we close that minute candle. So I might go 3 and then get a sell at that level if we get that CISD. Did we get it? I'm gonna try something here.
Order filled.
And then I'll put my stops here. Buy 3. We'll be targeting these lows here. And buy 3. If we can displace these, then I'll move my stops to entry. What I don't want to see is us start to invert this fair value gap. It looks like we're going to form right in here. If we were to get that, I'd probably have to close my position. But we'll see how this plays out. It's so far looking very, very, very strong. Because we failed to displace on M5. I mean, sure, on M1 we got some displacement above, but here you see this huge wick, and that's what we wanted, and then immediately rejected. And it actually looks like we may get this M5 CISD, which is even gives me more confidence in the trade. But then we're still kind of working through this fair value gap from here to here, so we'll have to wait and see kind of how that plays out. So okay, we have strong downside momentum. We'll see what happens here. So what are we risking? Got 3. We're risking about $200 on this trade. Our buys would be at 411. That's where our buys would be at. So we'll see if we can do it. So we had that big, kind of like that big push back up, but we failed to keep it. So we'll see what happens. So we might get a retest back up there, but it looks like we may continue bearish. Let's see how we're looking on M5. Because that will also be a good tell, is if we can get a close. Well, I guess, because that one, I guess technically, yeah, we'd CISD here if we get this close in about a minute. We'd get that CISD confirmation right there, and that would kind of add to this, but We had huge fair value gaps to the downside. Looks like we're kind of starting to push up a little bit maybe, but it could just end up being a retest. So we will see kind of what happens here. Oh, shoot. We got about 20 seconds. That's a good sign. That is a good sign, good sign, good sign. Okay. What did it look like on M5? So we did get that CISD, and now pushing lower. What our next test will be is kind of this fair value gap that we have through this range here. That will be kind of our next test. So we'll see how that holds up. But from there, I really want to see us displace these lows. If we can displace these lows and hold below them, then I'll probably move my stops to entry and see if we can't take out the rest of this down here. It's looking super, super strong. Okay. M15. Oh yeah. We are. See, I would have loved to have taken an entry on M15. It's just with these ranges, I mean, for me to get this fair value gap invalidated, it would have to be an entry right here, and just the risk to reward on that is just, it's no good, honestly. But if we can get a close down here and invalidate that fair value gap, well, I guess if we go off here, then okay, yeah, see, that's what I mean. We would need a ton of that hourly real estate to actually confirm that reversal. But for here, I mean, we're looking pretty bearish, to be honest with you. So I'm pretty happy with how we're looking right now. So might get a small push up. We'll see. Let's see. Look at these other time frames. Okay, looking solid on M2, M3, same. We didn't have a fair value gap, but we formed one here on the way down on M3, M5. M5 still looking good. We'd have a huge fair value gap back down if we get a close here in about 3 minutes. But we'll see. We'll switch back to M1. What I'm really trying to focus on in these trading sessions this week is just keeping my size minimal, limiting my trades so that I'm more selective with them, so that I can hopefully take higher quality trades because I'm limited on the amount that I can take. Yesterday was a good day with that. It was kind of a continuation trade, but I mean, technically I took 4, but in reality it was 2 entries and then 2 trims, and then on the final I got stopped at entry. So that was that. But this is looking solid. It's looking solid. Solid to push down. And down the street. That's okay. just want to get this M5 CIS, I mean not CISD, but M5 fair value gap to the downside. Because we super wicked this level of liquidity, and then it seems like we're going to be pushing down now. 411. What do we have for time? We got about 10 more seconds. And we'll confirm that fair value gap. And essentially have entirely erased that little push up we had. Seems like we should be good to push lower now. But we will see. Because we're still in this fair value gap here. From here to here. So we're still in that. Trying to see if we can break through it to the downside. Okay, looking very, very nice. Strong push to the downside. So what we were kind of looking for here is we had this liquidity sweep on M5. Like, yeah, we got displacement on M1, but M5 was just a wick. I mean, M15 is going to show the same story because we never got an M15 close above that level. We've now, if we can get this, well, actually, with this candle close, we've invalidated this fair value gap, the rest of it. So we'd still be looking to test this range here, but overall, at least with where we're at right now, we're looking very, very, very strong. Let's see, I'm gonna go. I wish I would have taken this with my fundeds, but I kind of wanted to give them a break because as you can see, my balance is negative, and I'd really like to get more fundeds and then just, really dial in my strategy. But looking very, very good right now. This was a solid trade, I think. I think we may do exactly what we were hoping. We'll see. We'd want to at least get M5 to close right at this level. If we get that full invalidation of that fair value gap, that would be huge for us, tapping those lows, which is what we want. So actually at this point, since we've kind of displaced that much, I'm gonna go break even, move my stops to entry, and we've eliminated all risk at this point. So now, however it goes, it's out of our hands. We're essentially risking nothing on this trade. So, but I think this one was a good one, I think. Oof, that's no good. That's not what we want. Not what we want. don't really want to get stopped at entry. But if we got to close like up here, getting us this, invalidating this fair value gap, then I would have to. Oh shoot, yeah, we might do something. Yeesh. Okay. Might invalidate. I mean, I really want to see us completely erase that, but we might get stopped here at entry.
Order filled.
We did. Shit. Okay. Do 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 do. Express DLL. Okay. Got one. We are negative $5, which is fine. I'm not mad at that. So, that fair value gap was upheld. We'll have to see if we. So we're retesting this level because that was where our entry was right at the CISD. But I'm not really super keen on this entry point. Because I guess maybe we might try a little something cute here, because we did not invalidate this fair value gap at all yet. I'm gonna this might be dumb, but I'm gonna try a re-entry.
Order filled.
I'm gonna try a re-entry, see if we can get something going. What I don't want to see is a reversal back up to these highs or an invalidation of this fair value gap. That's really what I don't want to see. Oh, shit. Damn it. That's where I'm gonna put my stops. Right there. Because I don't want to see us invalidate that fair value gap. $670. Okay, so we're risking about 150. Honestly, since I'm trading in fundeds, I just want to target. I want to target it at like 160. That would be target 4667. If we could tap these lows again, limit buy. Yeah, that's all I want to hit, honestly. Oh shit. Damn it. Hoping that was just a retest. So I'm really hoping. Fuck. Maybe. It's just kind of playing around at this level. Oh, I don't love that. Can we get that CISD? Yeah, we're just kind of playing around at this level. Super choppy. I don't love choppiness like that. It's kind of annoying. We're just kind of ranging right now. Ugh. This is terrible. Absolutely terrible. Yeah, this price is just ranging. Like, just stuck in this range right here. Hopefully that's a breakout. Hopefully we're gonna break that, because I know that around 8 o'clock, that 8 o'clock open, it loves to grab liquidity and then just reverse, but shit. We had such good momentum, and now we're just ranging very, very hard. I don't love this. Do something, bro. Do something. Not putting my stops to entry quite yet. Because if this fair value gap can hold up all the way down here, then it's not really gonna make sense. So I don't want to see us invalidate it entirely, which we've made good progress, but we haven't quite invalidated it yet, so kind of just waiting for that confirmation. But we're getting strong push lower now. We're looking like we're gonna break break out of that range potentially. And we just got an M5 close and we pushed lower. So that's good. That's good. That's good. I've got an M15 close as well. Okay. And M30. M30 might give us something. We'll see. We'll see. We'll see. How's M1 looking for us? Looks like we're going to form an M1 fair value gap to the downside. Haven't invalidated it entirely yet, but potentially. I'm trying to not be greedy and just taking, well, it's 174 was what I'd be taking. Yeah, if we can get that, then I'm fine with that. I'll take that day. Not looking for a ton. Just want to keep size small, not be greedy, and limit my amount of trades. So if we can get that done, that would be all I'm looking for. We just need to close at 4668.5, and we will have invalidated that fair value gap. Then I think we'll be good to push lower at that point. Right here, right here, right here. Which, if we can get it, maybe I'll try something all the way down. If we don't take it out right away, I might, you know what, I might try and target these wicks. Or, if we're gonna invalidate all the way down here, I might try something. Limit by stop sell 3. Stop sold. No, not buy here. Limit buy. Okay, I'm gonna go break even again, because now we've invalidated that fair value gap. Okay, I don't want to see us get a huge push back up. My only issue is we are still trapped. We're still looking to invalidate this fair value gap. That's what I want. I want us to invalidate that fair value gap. Oh, it's mine, on my money, on my money, on my mind. Keeping strong momentum. That's nice, that's nice. Rolling down the street. But we're still, gotta remember, we're still in that fair value gap. Which actually now we're gonna be, if we can get a close here on, well, I guess we won't get that, but we'd have to wait a few minutes, but we may be getting that invalidation on M5. We just gotta wait 5 more minutes to see. It's unfortunate, but we might end up tapping our levels. Who knows? It'd be nice, but we'll have to see. So we'd be at 372. We've got no risk on this trade anymore. Shut up, microwave. Okay, well, hopefully we can invalidate that fair value gap. If we do, I think it's almost certain that we would hit our level. I'm gonna be almost certain that we would tap our level. Come on, baby. No, don't do that. Don't do that. Don't do that. Don't do that. Hey, somebody's watching. No. Oof. Don't tell me we're gonna come back up and retest that. No way, dude. No way. No way, no way. We don't have that momentum. If we get that CISD, I might close out of my position. But I really don't want to see us get that CISD right there. I really don't. We've got about 15 seconds till we get the candle close. I really don't want to see us get that CISD. That's what I want to see. I want to see us close at this level at least, right around here. That's what I'd like to see. Come on, why are we playing around here? Why are we? Oh, actually, never mind. We got a minute. We got a minute till we get that M5. So let's see what we can do. Come on, don't do me like that. Don't do me like that, dude. Got 5 seconds. Come on. Come on. We didn't get it. Fuck. That's not good. I'd like to see us invalidate that entire move. Hello.
Can I go out through here? Thank you.
No.
You too.
What's up?
Hello.
What's up?
Does your grandpa have a saw?
A what?
Like, can he cut wood?
Yeah, he can
Does
cut.
he have something to cut wood?
Yeah.
Can't, because I need a board cut.
Okay, yeah, he'll cut a
We
board
were able
for
to
you.
cut it once, but
I mean, yeah, he'll cut a board for you, I'm sure.
Order filled.
Alright, if you're watching right now, what I'm looking for is the CISD here, and then to invalidate, well actually it's technically, it would be to here, to invalidate that fair value gap. But if we get that CISD here, I'm going to go in one contract, put my stops at these swing lows, and then aim for the previous hourly high up here. Not a crazy move, but that's what I'm looking for as far as strategically. So if we get that, so I want to see us get a clean move, because we did form a fair value gap, small, right there. So we're getting an IFVG, but for confirmation, I really want to see us get a close above here to confirm that move to the upside. So we can close green again. Like I said, I'm just waiting for that confirmation of that bullish momentum with that CISD and inverting this fair value gap fully. If we can do that, I'll take an entry. If we get a candle close at this level right here. So just be ready. No, we didn't get it. But I mean, we got that fair value gap though. No, it's even right there. Got that small fair value gap. I think we're gonna get it, but I just really want to get that confirmation before I enter. Fucking hell. If this bitch runs without me, I'm gonna be pissed. If this runs without me, I'm gonna be pissed. Oh, you bitch. You bitch. Well, honestly, yeah. Fuck. Might have missed my entry. I don't really want to enter in so high. I got about 5 seconds and I'll try something.
Order filled.
We'll try it. Put our stops at put our stops at this here. Stop sell. We are risking about how much? We're risking about 120 on this. I mean, honestly, yeah, this is kind of shit. Hello.
Hello.
What's up?
What is that store called? I can't think of it.
Order filled.
Alright, took 3 trades. Ended 402 on the day. We'll just call that a day and stream again tomorrow.